In this video, I'll show you how to remove the image background of a photo or a picture when you don't have Canva Pro. It is a super easy process. Please follow along. Now, let's assume you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So let's just create a blank new design inside Canva. Super easy. And then let's assume we actually want to just use a photo from Canva. So we can just search for a photo. Let's say we search for a photo with a person. Let's just peruse slightly and see what we get. Let's say we want to use this particular photo. Let's click on it. Looks really good. Let's see what it looks like if we set it as the image background. It looks good, but there's a slight crop up here, so we may need to Control Z, and then let's assume we may need to just adjust this to where we want it to be. Let's say we want it to be up to that section. Let's say that's what you want it to be. So the first thing we need is to get out this particular design outside Canva. Let's say lady in a hat or whatever. So we can just go to share and then download, and then we download it as it is. Download. So it's going to download onto your computer. It's completed. Let's refresh our download section. Should be coming in a few seconds if it's not yet available. Here we go. Here's our photo. We can just go back onto our browser. So our photo is already inside here, lady in a hat. Now, for us to remove the background, let's assume we want to do away with the background. More or less what it's in here. We'll need to use a website called Pixlr.com, and this is a photo editor and animation and design website, and it's free. So for us to remove the background, we can just scroll down slightly to the remove background option, where erase background in your photos with ease, instant AI powered background removal in a single click. So fast, too easy. Now you can remove backgrounds from portraits, selfies, profile pictures, and more in here in mere seconds. So actually just click on remove BG. So I'll leave the URL down in the link below if you don't want to read all that. So you can click on open image, but you can also drag and drop the image here. So let's do that. It's already doing its magic. Machines are doing their thing. Background is gone. So almost everything is gone. The image looks good as it is, but if you think you might need to fine tune, you can click on that, change the size of the brushes. Let's say you want to highlight that to remove or whatever. Let's say you also want to do away with that. Maybe it's something that you think needs to be gone, but it looks good. Let's assume that is what you wanted to do. Click on download. So it's downloaded. If we look at our download, this is the result that we get. Now let's go back to Canva, click on uploads, upload media, and then let's go to this. Just click on open. Here we go. The photo is uploading. Let's just give it a couple of seconds for it to upload, and then we'll be able to appreciate the background that has been removed. So it's almost done, just a couple of seconds, and it's done. You can already see that the background is gone. If I actually take it and place it on top here, you'll see what I mean. So let's just, okay, Control Z, Control Z. What it did is just, it replaced the photo. So we can just move this to the side and then bring this somewhere here, and then move it to the side, or maybe just adjust this. See how all the results that we get from this. So the photo background is gone. Looks good. May not be perfect for now because we never did the fine tuning, but if that is all you wanted, then the background is gone. Now let's assume you wanted to use it maybe for a thumbnail. You can just pick it up. I don't want it to fill it inside here, so I'll just let it float around here, and you can use it whatever way you want, because now you can make any edits that you want. You can edit maybe add things like shadows. Let's look at what else you can add in here. Let's say we add a shadow, a glow. Let's say that that's what you want to add. Let's see if you add the size. It adds the size of a glow to the lady. You can change the color to whatever you want. More or less what you see as outlines in pictures on YouTube thumbnails and all that. But it's pretty simple using Pixlr, the remove background option. You can make the fine tunes for, especially we've not taken out this particular section down here. We should have, but when you look at this and then compare with the original, this particular photo, I think there's a very major difference, and you can make any edits that you want to do inside this. So you can create your thumbnails easily. Even when you're on Canva free, the free version, you can remove the background and then bring back the photo inside Canva. It's super easy. Make the changes that you want, and you're good to go. So that is how you can remove the image background without Canva Pro. It's free, it's easy, and it's super fast. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.